In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your constant contact list to Excel. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you need to manage or analyze your contacts outside of Constant Contact. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Constant Contact and hit enter. This search should bring up the official website right at the top of your results. Click on this link to proceed to the Constant Contact homepage. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll want to look for the login option. You will typically find a log in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this, enter your credentials, and log into your account. If you haven't set up two-step verification yet, this might be a good time to do so for added security, though it isn't necessary for today's task. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you will find a Contacts tab. Click on it, which should take you to another page dedicated to managing your contact lists. On this page, navigate to the section labeled Lists. Here, you will see all the lists you've created in your Constant Contact account. Scroll through to find the specific list you want to export. Once you've located it, simply check the box beside the list to select it. Doing this tells Constant Contact that this is the list you want to work with. With your desired list selected, look at the top of the page for a button labeled Actions. Click on Actions, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Export. This is where we'll be instructing the system to initiate the export process for your selected list. Upon clicking Export, you'll be prompted with an option to export the list. Go ahead and click the Export button again. The system will begin processing your request. This next portion will typically depend on the size of your contact list. A larger list may require a bit more time. Once the export process is complete, you'll receive a notification that the list is ready to download. This notification usually appears at the top right of the screen or as a pop-up. Within this notification, you will find a button labeled Download CSV. Click on this button. CSV files are excellent because they can be opened in Excel and other spreadsheet programs, making them immensely versatile for data handling. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contact list from Constant Contact to Excel. This can be a powerful way to manage your data, allowing you the flexibility to sort, analyze, and make informed decisions based on your contact data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.